What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now, as you can see, we have another trigonometric function that we need to derive, or that we need to find our dy over dx. Now, this one that you can see here, man, is a bit challenging. I won't lie to you. It needs you to know your trigonometry very well. Now, if you think you can try this one, guys, try to pause and try to do it, and let's see if at the end of this video we're gonna get the same answer. But if you're new on this channel, you can go to the playlist. I made videos on trigonometry, I made videos on limits, I made videos on expansion, I also made videos on deriving from the first principles, videos on deriving exponents, standard derivative, and also the log and natural log derivative. So you can also go and watch those videos on the playlist section. But then let's start, guys. As you can see, this one, before we do anything else, we need to simplify this one. So let's do it. Now, first of all, let's look at the numerator then. The numerator, we can manipulate it in a way that we can say 2, and then we can have 2 sine x multiplied by cos x. Now, the reason why we manipulate it like this, or the reason why we simplify it like this, we know that what is inside the bracket is a double angle, and then we divide there. Already the denominator, guys, as you can see, it's also the double angle, right? The numerator, we just manipulate it so that it can give us a double angle. If you still remember, this is a double angle for sine, and the one at the bottom here, the denominator, is a double angle for cos. So if you continue like this, we're gonna have 2, obviously, and then this one here is a double angle for sine, so it's gonna be sine 2x over, this one already is a double angle for cos, which is gonna be cos x 2x, right? If it so happen, guys, if it so happen you don't remember the double angles, I made a video deriving these double angles. Go and watch that video on the icon on top here, so that you can understand where these double angles come from. But if you do remember these double angles, then we are good. We can start, right? We can start. Let me just erase this very quickly. All right, now since we have the following, we know that sine over cos is going to give us tan. So we have 2 here, and then we have the quotient identity. So that is going to be tan 2x. This is what we call the quotient identity, guys. We know that tan, let me just reminder, this is a reminder, tan, let me just say x, is the same as sine x over cos x. So that is what we did there, just in case you're not so sure. Now when it's like this, now we can write or find the formula that we're going to use to find the derivative. Now let's go and check them. We have y, so we know we have k here. As you can see, our k, we have k, and then we have tan, and then this time around we also have n, and then we have x. So dy over dx of this is the same as n multiplied by k. But then what is the derivative of tan? We know that it's going to be sec squared, then n x. Do not forget this one, guys. Just in case you don't know where this formula is coming from, there is a video that I made. Go and watch that video there, guys. Okay, go and watch that video there. Right, let me erase this, because I explained how to use these formulas there, or how to apply them. All right, now let's do it. Now if you find our dy over dx, But before we do that, we need to know what is k and what is n. In this case now, we do have k. When you look on our left hand side, our k is 2, this 2 here. And then our n, remember n is a coefficient of x. If you look on the left hand side, our n is going to be 2. So what we're going to do, we're just going to substitute these unknowns or these variables on this dy dx on our right. So we know that it's going to be 2 multiplied by 2, because this is k multiplied by n, which is 2 multiplied by 2. Then we have sec squared, and then we have 2x. So the final answer, let me just create another space here, guys. The final answer, dy over dx, is going to give us 4, and then sec squared, then 2x. And that, guys, is your final answer. I know it looked a bit challenging, but really it was not, guys. Remember, you are supposed to know your identities here. So remember, on this one, when you simplify, especially when it comes to the second step, the step here, you need to know your double identities, where I made a video. Go and watch a video on the icon there, where I derive these identities. And then from here, we're going to use the quotient identities. When we have sine over cos, we know that this is going to give us tan, right? And then that's when we're going to start deriving. We start deriving after simplifying. So this is the part where we simplified and we start deriving. Guys, I hope this video helped you to understand. If it did, please do not forget to subscribe. Also comment on the comment section if you managed to get it or if you want to add. Also share this video to your friends, and do not forget to come with a way if there is a simpler way of doing this, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Till next time, cheers.